On Friday, the Aspire class partnered with the Thinking Science program to conduct an energy activity on how to save energy in our homes. Did you know that the United States represents only 5% of the world's population, but yet we consume 19% of the world's energy? A portion of our energy is wasted through what we call phantom or vampire power. What is phantom or vampire power, you may ask? Well, phantom or vampire power is when appliances and electronics are turned off but left plugged in. This type of power accounts for 10% of our energy consumption and costs. Americans over $5 billion a year. What can you do to save money on energy costs? Well, there's a few simple things you can do. It's a great idea to buy power strips and with an on and off switch. By turning the power strip off when you are not using your electronics, you will eliminate the vampire power and save money on your electric bill. Reduce your energy consumption by as much as 70% by changing your incandescent light bulbs to compact fluorescent light bulbs. The next conservation energy tip is to purchase Energy Star appliances to save up to 30% on your energy, reducing energy consumption in your home.